What's up guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to use DeepSeek API with Claude code. It's very simple, just follow along. I hope you guys already know how to get your DeepSeek API. Just go to this URL and you can get your API keys. After that, just open your Windows PowerShell. I've already opened here. After your Windows, open your PowerShell, you gotta copy these these commands. I'm gonna leave this on the description, you can copy from there. So I'm just gonna paste this. So just letting you guys know, this entropic auth token, this has to be the DeepSeek API key. So just this has to be the API key. After that, just press enter. That's pretty much. You're basically done. Just gonna show you guys. So that should work. Here, as you guys can see, DeepSeek V4 Pro with max effort. So that is a very easy way of using DeepSeek in Claude code. But just letting you guys know, this is a temporary workaround. This is not permanent. So if you want to use DeepSeek with Claude code, if you use this method, you have to do you have to input you have to paste those commands every time you do it. So just letting you guys know that this is not permanent. So just that. Anyways, thanks for watching. See ya.